Now maybe I can do this in this fine establishment. This truck stinks, like exhaust wise. Look at this, all broken. And now the blower motor broke again. Because it's Florida. Your vehicle will get destroyed. In Florida, look at the dash rust. Yeah, buddy. The dash rust. Alright. These are very easy to come out, blower motor. It's this one little tab, once you find it. It's a lock tab somewhere around this thing. I totally forget. I had it out like 4 times. Last time I had this thing out, it was very, 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 very dirty inside. There it is right there in the back. Can't really see, but there's a tab. I kind of have a middle finger on it. I'm flipping it off. And then you kind of rotate it, I believe, that way. Push down, rotate, yes. Yes, just like that. No tools required. Just electrical wire, but we're better off getting that off before. Not so bad. It's a Delphi one, which I no longer make. I believe it was made by H&S anyway. It was. But it was this cheaper price. Wires are good. Always check your wiring. They burn up on this. The other cause of this is that module, but the module is fine this time. It is the motor. It sounds terrible. And it works when it wants to. You gotta give it the old hit. Unplug your wires. It's one of these weird little push things. They might come out automatically. I might gotta jam a screwdriver in there, which I might have in my pocket. I might not. Here it is. I found it. It was over here. You just kind of push those things in one at a time. You can use a fatter screwdriver too. Very carefully work it out. This is the old one. This thing was black about 2 years ago. I cleaned it all. Sounds terrible. And it's probably worn out because it's been running non-stop for many years now. Could have swore the OEM Bosch one had a longer cage, but you know, you get what you get in this world. Where's that gap over there? I think this one has less gap. Right? It does. Measure it, but so this one actually might have a larger cage on it. Can you get that off and reuse it? Most likely you cannot. It's at the same part number on it, 52 870. Different number. No, same, 870. I don't know. Throw it in though. That was the old Delphi one, no longer made, all made in Korea. OEM one was made in USA or Canada or something. Okay, old, new. Put it in. Oh, now I remember. The fun part was getting it back in. You gotta find that tab again, and then it's just a turn. Whatever which way it was before. Turn it, I think, the opposite direction. And then it just kind of locks in those little grooves. If you don't have it totally square though, it's a pain in the ass. And I got a vehicle right next to me because it's condo land. And this place is horrible. I'm just trying to show you how to do it because maybe your place is even more horrible than this. But that needs to lock in there. And we gotta get this thing done fast. Probably the thing's gonna need to be used. There we go, right there. My wires are too long, I know, because I put about 4 of these modules in this thing over the time. And I'm tired of cutting back the wires. Alright, that's in there. Turn the key on. Come back over here. Close the door, which is worn. I'll probably the last blower motor into this thing before it goes to the junkyard. I'm not kidding you. I'll probably wind up going there with this thing. Blood all over the seat. Nice.
Your stimulus money to the bank says we did.
Turn off the radio, and wow, that is a whole lot quieter than that old piece of shit. And it actually even blows out a lot stronger because that old thing was J-U-N-K. Turn back on. Oh my god, the difference. The difference. That motor was worn. I think I got leaking valve covers again on this. Let's check it. And fluid and everything else. Alright. That's how you do it. Oh, it's a 7mm holding that cover down. I didn't show that. There's 2 7mm screws. I'll link my blower resistor video. I'll show it more in depth. This is just a quickie. We gotta get it done. But I believe these valve covers are leaking again. And I smell it. And it looks like we got a trail of oil again hitting the exhaust manifold. Right in the back over there. Oh yeah. Yeah, we gotta get fucking this thing full. Yeah. You full down off. This line is leaking. This pitman arm seal has been leaking. Alright, this thing is falling apart. I'll show you the crazy roof rust too. This thing doesn't close well. One that crashed it. It's all messed up in the front. They charged for radiator support and I didn't. But let's see, crazy roof. And why this thing will probably be going to the junkyard soon. Crazy roof and rust. Alright, cool. Let's put that back. 2 7mm screws right there and right there. You kind of clean all the hamster mess out of here, or this vehicle. You kind of just leave it because it's going to grow back. Let me get those 2 screws. Have a good one though. And that's how you do it. Very simple. That you take to the scrapyard and you trade in as a motor. And you get 2 cents for it. All plastic. Whoa. Don't rip your cover. Alright. Still going with this. Sirens. Supposedly going to cover this house again. Another story. This one is kind of tricky to get in. That 7mm screw over here. You gotta line it up correctly. And I believe that goes under there. Yeah. That will screw up your fitment. But this, you kind of just wiggle it around and eventually you'll find it. And look at the nice cool scratches and stuff. Get the paint to get. You'll figure it out. Really easy to do. Oh, and I found my payment for the job right there on the seat. With everything else on the seat. Nice. Imagine working on a customer car. I couldn't do it anymore. I'm done with even the filth of this to people I'm related to. And my vehicle's not dirty. It's one of the very few things that is not dirty. Seriously, man. This makes things harder. There's one over there, and what I said, there's one over here. Huh? One over here? Old man noise right here. One here. So the other one went. Thread forming. Snap on. Here's a little baby one. Snap on tools are total rip off now. They really raised their prices during the Ronas. I don't know why. Boom. Now we're done. Yeah, I could swear, where is this thing? Connector. Okay, connectors on this side. Yeah, I could swear maybe by H&S, Korea. I could swear that they made the blower cage bigger on the OEM one, like which you can't find. Comes in a plain white box again. So where was that thing? I have to find this in this dirty vehicle. I might have to move this thing.